Welcome to Fact a Day, where today we delve into the story of HeLa cells, the first immortal human cell line, and the woman behind this scientific breakthrough, Henrietta Lacks. Her cells have contributed immeasurably to medical research, yet her story raises important ethical questions about consent and recognition. Join us as we explore the life of Henrietta Lacks, the controversy surrounding the use of her cells, their monumental impact on medicine, and the ongoing quest for reparations by her family. Henrietta Lacks, the woman behind HeLa cells. Henrietta Lacks was born in 1920 in Roanoke, Virginia, and lived most of her life in poverty in Baltimore, Maryland. A wife and mother of 5, Henrietta's life took a tragic turn when she was diagnosed with cervical cancer at the age of 31. During her treatment at Johns Hopkins Hospital, a sample of her cancer cells was taken without her knowledge or consent, a common practice at the time. Henrietta passed away in 1951, but her contribution to science was just beginning. The significance of Henrietta's life extends far beyond her personal story. Her cells, known as HeLa cells, became the first human cells to be successfully cloned and grown outside the human body. This breakthrough allowed scientists to perform experiments that were previously unimaginable. However, Henrietta's family remained unaware of her monumental contribution to science for decades, highlighting issues of consent and recognition in medical research. HeLa cells have been instrumental in countless medical advancements. They played a crucial role in developing the polio vaccine, understanding cancer, and even launching the field of virology. The cell's unique ability to divide indefinitely in laboratory conditions has made them invaluable for studying the effects of toxins, drugs, hormones, and viruses on the growth of cancer cells. HeLa cells have also been pivotal in genetic mapping, cloning, and the development of various medical treatments and vaccines. The impact of HeLa cells extends to the realm of space travel, as they were the first human cells sent into space to study the effects of zero gravity on human tissue. Their contribution to the understanding of cancer, HIV/AIDS, and the effects of radiation and toxic substances has been monumental, revolutionizing medical research and leading to significant breakthroughs in treatment and prevention methods. The scientific discoveries facilitated by HeLa cells are vast and varied, touching almost every field of biomedical research and leading to groundbreaking advancements in medicine. Since their isolation in 1951, HeLa cells have been instrumental in some of the 20th and 21st century's most important scientific breakthroughs. One of the earliest and most significant contributions was to the development of the polio vaccine. In the early 1950s, polio was a devastating disease, causing paralysis and death across the globe. The use of HeLa cells provided researchers, including Jonas Salk, with a reliable supply of human cells to study the polio virus and test potential vaccines. This research directly contributed to the creation of the polio vaccine, dramatically reducing the incidence of the disease and showcasing the potential of HeLa cells in vaccine development. Beyond vaccine development, HeLa cells have played a crucial role in genetic research, cancer treatment, and even space biology. They were the first human cells to be cloned, which opened the door for numerous genetic studies and innovations, including gene mapping and the study of chromosomal abnormalities. In cancer research, HeLa cells have been used to study the effects of radiation and chemotherapy on human cells, leading to improved cancer treatments and a better understanding of how cancer cells proliferate. Furthermore, HeLa cells were among the first human cells sent into space, allowing scientists to observe the effects of zero gravity on human tissues and contributing to our understanding of how human bodies might react during long-term space travel. The legacy of HeLa cells extends to the realm of virology and infectious disease, where they have been used to study the behavior of various pathogens, including HIV, Zika, and the coronavirus responsible for COVID-19. This research has been critical in developing treatments and understanding the mechanisms these viruses use to infect human cells. The versatility and durability of HeLa cells make them an invaluable resource for scientists aiming to tackle some of humanity's most pressing medical challenges. Through these and countless other examples, HeLa cells have left an indelible mark on the world of science. Their contribution underscores the complex interplay between medical ethics and scientific progress, highlighting the need for a thoughtful approach to research that respects the individuals behind the biological materials used in scientific discovery. Henrietta Lacks' legacy, embodied by the HeLa cell line, continues to inspire and challenge the scientific community, driving forward innovations that have the potential to benefit all of humanity. Despite their widespread use and the billions of dollars in profits they have generated for the biomedical industry, the story of HeLa cells is also one of ethical controversy. The cells were taken and commercialized without Henrietta's or her family's consent, raising profound questions about privacy, ownership, and profit in medical research. This controversy has sparked a broader debate about the rights of individuals in contributing biological material for research purposes. The story of Henrietta Lacks and HeLa cells has prompted a reassessment of medical ethics and patients' rights. In recent years, Henrietta's family has sought recognition and reparations for the use of her cells. While Johns Hopkins Hospital has stated that it never sold or profited from the cell lines, the family has worked to gain control over the use of HeLa cells and has advocated for a share of the profits derived from their use. Efforts to honor Henrietta's legacy include the establishment of the Henrietta Lacks Foundation, which provides financial assistance to individuals who have contributed to biomedical research without personal benefit. Additionally, agreements have been made to require scientists to obtain permission to use HeLa cell lines in research, ensuring that Henrietta's contribution is recognized and respected. The story of HeLa cells is a reminder of the human stories behind scientific advancements. Henrietta Lacks' legacy lives on, not just in the medical breakthroughs her cells have enabled, but in the ongoing discussions about ethics, consent, and equity in medical research. Her story has inspired books, documentaries, and films, bringing to light the contributions of overlooked individuals in scientific history. The tale of Henrietta Lacks and her HeLa cells encapsulates the complex interplay between scientific progress and ethical responsibility. As we continue to benefit from HeLa cells' contributions to medicine, we must also remember the woman behind them and the importance of consent and recognition in research. Henrietta's legacy is a testament to the impact one individual can have on the world, prompting us to reflect on the values we hold in the pursuit of knowledge and progress. Thank you for joining us on Fact a Day as we explored the remarkable story of Henrietta Lacks and the HeLa cells. Her story challenges us to consider the human elements in scientific discovery and the importance of ethical standards in research. For more episodes that delve into the fascinating intersections of history, science, and ethics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and understanding the stories that shape our world.